Hey there, boys and girls. Here we are, day 5, February Daily Math, number 1. About how tall is a second grader? 45 feet? That's like 4.5 basketball hoops high. Not that tall. Let's get rid of that one. 45 inches or 45 centimeters? Centimeters and inches. Let's just take a peek, shall we? Yeah, we can use this one. These are inches. Each one of these is 1 inch, so about 45. So, okay, this paper, 7, 8, 9, 10. This paper is about 11 inches total. So you think about 4 pieces of paper high or 45 centimeters. Well, here we are at, let's see, there's 15 and 15. So not even. So about 28. So about 2 pieces of paper high. I'm thinking 4 pieces of paper, not 2, right? Yeah. 2 pieces of paper would not be enough. So let's go here. We're going with 45 inches. All right. Circle the odd numbers. Now remember, the odd numbers end in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. They are odd because when we split them into 2 equal groups, there's a leftover. There's 1 remainder. So odd numbers. And it's just the number in the ones column that makes it odd. Number 3, Juliet is making a special Valentine for Monkey Shines. She cuts this piece of ribbon for her card. How long is the ribbon? And we are measuring in inches, so 5 inches. Number 4, fill in the missing tens on the number line. Then put a dot at about the spot where 618 is on the number line. Let's see, 600, 610, 620, 630, 640, 650, 630. Oh, okay. So it can't be that. Let's go 600, maybe the big line, 610, 620, 6. Okay, there we go. So this would be about 610, and this line would be 620. That means these are about 600, 605, 610, 615, 620, 625, 630. There we go. That makes sense. Now, where would the spot where 618 be? Well, 618 is between 610 and 620. 618 is also between 615 and 620. So I'm going to say let's put it about like right here. That's pretty close to about 618. All right, number 5. Keisha takes Monkey Shines to the office to deliver the attendance folder. In the office, Monkey Shine sees 3 desks. Each desk has 4 legs. How many legs in all? All right, 3 desks. So there's a desk, there's a desk, and there's a desk. So there's 3 desks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Each desk has 4 legs. How many legs in all? So 3 desks and 4 legs on each desk equals 12 legs. 4, 8, 12. All right. Great job there, boys and girls. Keep up the great work. We'll see you tomorrow for day 6 of our daily math.